Bonjour et bienvenue sur Speak French. Avec moi, je m'appelle Séverine et je suis votre professeur de français. Hello and welcome to Speak French. Avec moi, I am Séverine and I am your French coach. Well, listen to this episode if you dare. Not for the faint at heart. Today, we'll explore 20 verbs, nouns, and adjectives to express fear, terror, and horror. Make sure to listen alone in the dark. And of course, a great way to improve your pronunciation and vocabulary. Well, as usual, head to the website Speak French avec moi for the free transcript and the free cheat sheet, and you can do more practice. Just want to make sure that you know all these scariest French words for Halloween. And feel free to join the Facebook page Speak French avec moi for more content. All right. You sure you want to listen to this episode? Well, I want to have a small disclaimer. If anything happens to you while you listen to this episode, I am not being held responsible. So, I'm going to take a short break and I'll be right back. Are you ready to speak French?
I see you.
All right, let's start with verbs. Crier, crier. To scream, crier. With the cr sound, it's hard. You need to practice. Crier. Effrayer. Effrayer. To frighten. Effrayer. Effrayer. Right. I know. The creux and the freux, back to back. Good for your pronunciation. Now, another sound. Terrifier. Terrifier. To terrorize. Terrifier. Let's repeat together. Crier. Effrayer, terrifier. All right. It's getting harder and harder. Now, avoir la chair de poule. Avoir la chair de poule. La chair de poule, goosebumps. Avoir la chair de poule, to have goosebumps. J'ai peur. J'ai peur. I'm scared. J'ai peur. Let's repeat together. Avoir la chair de poule. J'ai la chair de poule. J'ai peur. Now, let's work on nouns. La phobie. La phobie. The phobia. L'affolement. L'affolement. Let's try again. L'affolement. With a L sound, not O. L. l'affolement, the panic, l'effroi, oui, le froid, l'effroi, the dread, l'effroi. Let's repeat together. La phobie, l'affolement, l'effroi, l'horreur, l'horreur. We don't pronounce the H in French. L'horreur. The horror. La terreur. With a T sound. La terreur. The terror. La terreur. Right. Now nouns that you need to know for tomorrow or for Halloween. Un fantôme. Un fantôme. A ghost. Un fantôme. Un mort vivant. Un mort vivant. A zombie, a living dead. Un mort vivant. Un esprit. Un esprit. A spirit. An entity. Un esprit. Let's repeat together. L'horreur, la terreur, un fantôme, un mort vivant, un esprit. I hope you're not sitting in the dark by yourself. Une araignée, une araignée. Une araignée with a new sound. A spider. Une araignée. And we link together. Une araignée. Un cimetière. Un cimetière. A cemetery. Un cimetière. Une araignée. Un cimetière. Let's talk about adjectives that you can use. Sinistre. Sinistre. Sinister. Glauque. Glauque. Let's repeat. Glauque. Glauque means creepy. Glauque. Creepy. Lugubre. Lugubre. If you have not done so, go back and listen to the episode about how to make the perfect U sound in French. Lugubre. Lugubre means dreary. Macabre. Macabre. Bra. Macabre. Ghoulish. Ghoulish. Macabre. And then, well, I hope you're still alive. The last one. Anti. Anti. We don't pronounce the H in French. Haunted, hanté. Let's repeat together. Sinistre, glauque, lugubre, macabre, hanté. And since you made it here, well, let's try to mix them together. Un cimetière lugubre. Un cimetière lugubre. A dreary cemetery. Un mort-vivant sinistre. Un mort-vivant sinistre. A sinister living dead. Although I agree with you, when is the last time you saw a happy zombie? I don't know, they always seem to be very angry.
I'm watching you.
Let's take 1 minute and repeat all these words together so we can practice pronunciation. And of course, you can use these verbs, nouns, and adjectives all year long. Crier, effrayer, terrifier, avoir la chair de poule, j'ai peur, la phobie, l'affolement, l'effroi, l'horreur, la terreur, le fantôme, un mort vivant, un esprit, une araignée, un cimetière, sinistre, glauque, lugubre, macabre, hanté. Voilà, vous avez fini d'écouter l'épisode spécial Halloween. Here you go. You are all done with this special Halloween episode. Again, listen and practice. It's great for pronunciation, vocabulary. You will find a transcript on speakfrenchAvecMoi.com. And thank you again for being a great listener. I see that more and more of you are joining the podcast. It's great. And don't forget, you are beautiful no matter what they say. Merci. Au revoir. À bientôt.